So welcome students in this second lecture of projection of line where line is inclined to both the planes. In the previous session we have solved one problem. In the today's session also we will solve one problem. So this is the problem. True length is 50 mm. Inclination with respect to HP is a 40 degree and inclination with respect to VP is 25 degree. And we need to find out the front view and top view of a line. Or in other words, you can find out the angle alpha and beta. Remember, alpha is the inclination with in case of front view and beta is the inclination in case of top view, or alpha is the inclination with respect to HP and beta is the inclination with respect to VP. Okay. Now how to solve this problem? So simple way, first we will draw one line. So first we will draw true length, that is 50 mm line, and incline with respect to HP is a 40 degree. So first 50 mm line, inclination with respect to HP is a 40 degree. So this is the line. So we will name this point as AF. So we know point AF. So I will move this point. So this is my point AF. Okay. So this is my locus of point A. I will copy this same nomenclatures, and this is locus of point B. Remember, locus determination is very important. So we have identified locus of point A and locus of point B. This is locus of point B. We copy this same, and this is locus of point A. So this is locus of point A, and this line is a locus of point B. This angle is, what is the angle? It is a 40 degree angle. So it's a 40 degree angle. And this length is a 50 mm length. Yes. Okay. Remember, this is not point BF because AF BF is a front view. Now we will extend the projections down, so that we will extend the projection lines from point AF, and from this point we call this point as B. We call this point as B. Okay. So AFB is a true length 50 mm and inclination with respect to HP is 40 degree. So it is a true length. So that's why you can see somewhere here we will assume point AH, and this is the top view of a line AFB. Okay. So we will name this point as AH. So this point is AH, and this is I will call small b. So AHB is the top view of a line AF capital B. Okay. Now in the second case, so what we have done in the first case, we have assumed the line is inclined to HP and true length is 50 mm. So we have drawn AFB line 40 degree, having inclination 40 degree, 50 mm length, and its top view is AHB. Means in the first case we have determined top view length, that is AHB. Now in the second case we will determine front view length. We know point AH and inclination with respect to VP is 25 degree. So we know true length, that is 50, inclination is 25 and true length is 50. Okay. So this line is a true length line. So inclination is length is 50 mm. Yes. Sorry, where is that gone? Yes. 50 mm. So we have determined locus of point B now in case of top view. Where is that point? So this is the locus of point B in case of top view. Copy this. Okay. So this is locus of point B in case of top view. This is locus of point A. So we'll name this point as capital B. Yes. So AHB is a true length in case of top view, whereas AFB is a true length in case of top view. Front view. So inclination is here. Inclination, let us assume, let us go for the dimensions. So this is the dimension in 25 degree. Okay. Now in the second case, what we have done, we have drawn the line AHB having 50 mm length and inclination 25 degree. What will be its front view? So front view is apparent view. So we will extend the projection from this point, which will cut this point somewhere here. So AFB, it will cut this locus of point base somewhere here, and we have obtained a point small b now. Here also we will copy this. Here also we have point B. Okay. So AFB is a front view length, whereas AHB is a top view length. We know that point BF lies over locus of point B and point BH lies over locus of point B. Okay. How to do that? How to find out? So let us draw an arc from point B, center AF. Let us take compass. AF is the center point. AFB, small b is the radius, and draw an arc up to the locus of point B. Start center. Yes. So I have drawn the arc from point B up to the locus of point B. So radius is AFB. So extra part I will just trim it out. Yes. Okay. So this point we call point BF. So this point we call BF. Let us copy this. So join AF BF. So AF BF is our, so join AF BF, sorry. So join AF BF. So AF BF is our front view. We know that BF and BH lies over the same projection. So you can extend the projection from point BF up to the locus of point B in case of top view. Okay. So draw the line from point BF up to the locus of point . Yes, up to the locus of point B, it cuts somewhere here at this particular point. So this point we call point BH. So join AH BH. So AH BH is our top view, whereas AF BF is our front view. Okay, very simple. By rotation of line method we can find out front view and top view. So you can similarly find out angle alpha, that is front view angle, is 45 degree, and angle beta, that is top view angle, is how much? It is 30 degree. Remember, true length always higher than apparent length, and apparent inclinations, that is 45 degree and 30 degree, you can see are always higher than the true inclination. So this is, by the way, a simple method, that is rotation of line method. You can find out front view and top view. So practice same problems. I will upload more problems for practice.